Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's quickly cover the US dollar, oil, and gold. Starting with the US dollar, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell has not been formally summoned to court. Before anything reaches trial, the case must go through a grand jury process which can take weeks and may not result in an indictment at all. Even if it does, a trial would take months. That long timeline explains relatively muted market reactions. More importantly, the structure of the FOMC limits political influence in the near term. Even under aggressive assumptions, roughly 2/3 of voting members would remain non-MAGA doves. In short, Trump does not yet control the Federal Reserve. Turning to oil, Trump's promise of cheap energy is colliding with market reality. Weak demand and potential Venezuelan supply are pressuring prices. Most analysts expect oil prices in 2026 to be weaker than 2025, with Brent below $60 and WTI near 50. At those levels, US producers struggle to break even. Historically, this leads to production cuts, which ultimately push prices higher, directly contradicting the goal of permanently low energy prices. Finally, gold and silver have opened 2026 with fresh all-time highs. Gold has broken above $4,600, driven by renewed concerns over Federal Reserve independence. Investors sold dollars and treasuries and moved into precious metals. For now, the trend remains higher as long as prices continue to make higher highs and higher lows. Calling a top is premature. Short-term pullbacks are possible if the dollar stabilizes, but the broader bias remains upward. Thanks for watching.